पहनूँ, लेकिन जो मनीष ने मेरे लिए कपड़े बनाए थे वो मुझे फिट नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो he'll have to either make new clothes for me or I'll have to do clothes for me.
Manish is the most famous designer from India globally. तो क्या हम मान सकते हैं कि क्योंकि उनका बॉलीवुड के साथ इतना गहरा एसोसिएशन है,
100%,
इसलिए एक वजह
100%. I think he was the first designer to take Bollywood global and vice versa. तो वो कोई भी फिल्म कर लेते, वो global नहीं जाते, but I think his work is fantastic.
Manish Malhotra has been one of the first few designers who is responsible for changing the face of fashion in the Hindi film industry. He's also been very instrumental in changing certain already set images of actresses in the past and just broken them completely, given them a total transformation in terms of styling. So I've always looked up to him as a fashion icon, and today I've been invited, I'm his guest, and I'm working with him this year too, so it couldn't have been better.
What do you like the best in him?
What I like about him is he has a vision to see something different that probably somebody else hasn't seen, because you know how it is, unless you show people, sometimes people cannot see, and visionaries and fashion icons like Manish Malhotra can. So I guess that's why they stand the rest apart.
Last question, as an actor, what kind of chemistry do you relate to your designer?
It has to be absolutely fantastic, 10 on 10, because you are dealing with him. He knows all your personal statistics, he knows your skin tone, what suits you. You have to discuss also your your assets, and your probably this doesn't suit me because of my skin and everything. So I guess it's a very bondful kind of a rapport that you share with your designer.
Amrita, this is the first time you're walking on the ramp?
No, I'm not walking the ramp. I'm just an audience. Yeah.
पीछे ना बहुत आगे हो गया
पूरी वैरायटी एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखने को मिला एंड बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग विद मनीष वेरी सून इट वाज अ ग्रेट क्रैश कोर्स फॉर मी टू डिसाइड
क्या कर रहा है यार
अच्छा, आज के कलर कॉम्बिनेशन के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I like the two tones that he used in the same fabric.
रुक जाता
Some lovely colors, orange, tomato red, which were very hot colors.